Hey YouTube fam, this is Equilla Marie with Equilla Marie Creative, and I just wanted to get on really quickly to share with you, when you are prepping to do a collage, these are the 5 areas that you want to focus on when you're going through a magazine, because it can be a little overwhelming, but if you're looking for these 5 different areas, it will make the prepping with your clippings so much easier. Okay, and I'm looking at my notes, so just follow me. So the first thing you want to focus on is looking for just things that you like. Now you want a focal image, so something that's a large image. I like to look for faces, I like to look for large eyes, just large things. It could be an animal, it could be anything that's a large image that can be your focal point on your collage. The next thing I look for are words or phrases. Things like words like powerful, beautiful, just things that just are empowering and inspiring, or any phrases, maybe be love or beautiful. Those are the types of words and phrases that I look for. The next thing you want to look for are letters. So if you have letters, you can pretty much spell anything you like, because you may not find a word or a phrase that you like. But if you look for letters, now it could be in a cursive font, or it could also be in a block font. And letters that are kind of spaced a little bit far apart are really great, because you don't have any problem cutting those out. All right, so the next thing I love to look for are embellishments. So I love clocks or watches, so I'll always cut those out. But I also love anything that's bling, so necklaces or earrings, or just something that's bold, that can be any type of embellishment on your collage. The very last thing you want to look for are just patterns or colors. Patterns are great to use for backgrounds. Colors, it could be a dull picture in a magazine, but if it's surrounded by a beautiful blue color or beautiful pink color, those are the types of things that you want to incorporate, because you can also use those patterns or colors to cut out any type of image that you like. So I just wanted to get right on and just share with you those 5 things that you look for when you are combing through a magazine and looking for clippings to incorporate in your collage. Now I have a time lapse coming right up of me just going through a magazine and just picking out some of the things that I'm motivated and inspired by. So hopefully this video inspires you and motivates you to go ahead and get started with your next collage. See you next time. enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and just get inspired by my future videos on how to be as creative as you can. And the very last thing, I wanted to give you a bonus tip. Always when you're looking through magazines, don't look at things for what they are in the magazine, but look at it for what it could be. So that's the bonus tip that I wanted to give you, included in today's video. So see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.